I'm not doing that, bud. Look at this guy. I'm splitting next to the prison bus. It's kind of adorable. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. And this one is clearly a really white one, because there's salt aplenty and a little bit of snow and ice. But today's actually a nice day. It's right now it's 36, but it's actually going to be as high as 40, and everything is melting. So I decided to take the old bike out, you know. I feel like I haven't ridden it in damn near a week. Last week it's been like, not only did it snow, but there was also this super cold temperature. This person is chilling. We'll chill. We'll relax. It's all good. But yeah, now I'm heading to the office real quick. I'm just kind of taking it easy. Taking it easy. Keeping it sleazy, you know? The tires are cold. It's funny, I saw my algorithm out of nowhere started showing me videos of people losing traction on cold tires. So I'm just like against that whole thing now. I'm against too much throttle. And this morning I woke up and I was like, oh, it's so cool. I haven't charged my heated gloves in so long, and they're still working. They're not. Only the left one is working. The right one is dead. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, there we go. Even better. Oh, look at all the snow. I mean, salt. Gotta be gentle with the salt. The salt is not cool. And the fact that one of my gloves is not working is also not cool, because it is 36 degrees. While not the most cold, certainly unpleasant. Come on, bro. Have to get around that guy. There was confusion. How did I not charge my little heated glove? That's a silly thing. And it is supposed to actually snow right now, but I kind of like looked around and I was like, I don't think it will, you know, because it will be 40 shortly. So it's like the weather forecast is playing games. It's playing around. So I'm not gonna play games back, you know what I mean? There will be some lane splitting, inevitably. Always has to be. Go behind the prison bus. Oh, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. And I got my new belly fairing, which I haven't even taken any cool pictures of yet. Not yet. Soon. The home stretch here. My bike is all filthy because my parking is semi outside. It's like private and everything. Oh, it's that bus. But yeah, the snowstorm was coming in fucking crazy. I should have wiped the bike down. It's a little bit weathered. Look at this guy. I'm splitting next to the prison bus. It's kind of adorable. Past the bow. I want to stay ahead of the prison bus because otherwise people are gonna start squeezing me more than they already are. That bus is not far. Be nice and gentle here. Look at this gap. It's tiny. Thank you. Thank you. I'm not doing that, bud. I'm not doing that. You're on your own. This is a tight one. Thank you. Chilling, cruising. We're good. I wonder how that prison bus is doing. The prison bus vlog. If you've seen this vlog, you've seen me race that prison bus all the time. They have the same schedule as me. I'm a very schedule-oriented person. Look at this person. I like my schedules. I'm trying to think which way I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go this way. The quicker way. But yeah, I sort of have routines that I follow, which I enjoy, you know. Thank you. Look at these people. There's no traffic here at all. But yeah. So I would imagine the prison bus has the same ideology. Excuse me, sir. Just getting ahead just a touch. I don't want to be in the salt and in the dirt, but I am getting ahead of you guys, just casually. No speeding, right? Look how nice. Easy. It's like a little lane for me right here. A little motorcycle lane. At least until here. And then we're kind of stuck. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks, man. Oh, there's glass over here. Eee. Big truck. Lots of salt. Just take it easy. Good Lord. Come on. You got this. Go over there. Yeah, you got it. There you go. Oh my goodness. Everybody's so precious. Come on. Why are y'all bugging? Why is everybody bugging out? What the fuck is actually popping off? Sweet succulents. Everybody's fucking straight freaking out. Gonna be alright. And it is raining. That is fucking hilarious. It actually is precipitating. Luckily I'm pulling up already. Something just hit my freaking visor. Come on, fam. What are we doing? Holy shit. New Jersey. New Jersey doesn't have time. Me neither. not gonna make this light, because it's not possible. Is it? It might be. Nope. That street might be closed, so I think I'm gonna go to the left here. It is dripping rain a little bit. Look how dirty. Okay, I shouldn't have showed you that. Good Lord, what's wrong with me? I had all this time off too. I could have cleaned this little piglet. It's alright. We'll clean it. We'll make it clean. Oh, that glove died too. They both died. Shocking. I should have charged my heated gloves. I lost traction there for a second, huh? Salt, salt, salt. There we go. We're gonna find a nice quiet block. Holy shit. Is there enough salt over here? Is it possible? Is it even possible? I'm gonna go around just to see if there's any closer spots, something nicer. Although that spot, while very salty, was totally fine. Look at this place. Oh, we're doing G. You want to stop over here somewhere? Let's take a look. You can park next to this bike right here. Yeah, why not? It's like a beautiful view, right? Famous last words. There we go. And we got a little bit of snow and ice and a little bit of Ducati. Everything's gonna be okay. Alright kids, thank you for watching. As always, it's a beautiful day.